I think I need to record the meeting about simplifying fraction. So simplifying fraction. Okay, so what is fraction? Fraction is the number that is in between a whole number, for example, an integer. So for example, in between 0 and 1. So what is the number? The number that is in between 0 and 1 is, it might be half, 1 over 2, half or 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, 1 over 5, and so on. But we need to simplify the fraction in order to make it more easily to be seen. Okay, for example, I have 3 over 6. This is a fraction, right? The denominator is 6, the numerator is 3. But again, this number can be simplified by dividing with a both same number. For example, divide by 3. So on the bottom part, you also divide by 3. So you are dividing by its highest common factor, HCF. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you need the basics of division as well. So 3 over 6, you can conclude, is equals to 1 over 2. So it might be a different number, but it's the same value. Why? Because it has to be simplified first, right? It is simplified. The simplified version of 3 over 6 is 1 over 2. And they are the same value. Okay, so make sure about that. They are the same value in the different form only. Again, if I have 30 over 28, so what number can you divide with? So before you do, okay, the numerator part is bigger, so it's supposed to be a mixed fraction. Yes, it is a mixed fraction, but again, before we do the mixed fraction, we can simplify in order to make it more easily to see. I want to divide by 2, divide by 2, right? And this answer is 15 over 14, right? So again, what you need first is the basics of division. Okay, so this will be 1 over 14. Sorry, 1 over 14. Okay, that's the answer. So 30 over 28 is equals to 15 over 14 and also equals to 1 over 4. They are also the same value. Okay, I will give you some more practices. For example, bigger number, 25 over 100. Okay, so this can be done with two steps. First thing first, I want to divide by the easiest number. What number that you can think of to divide 25 and 100, Rachel? What number you can divide with?
Divided by 10. Wait, no, not 10. Divided by...
Why you can say that it is not 10? Because 25 cannot be divided by 10, right? That's a good thinking. So you try to increase or decrease the number. In my opinion, you need to decrease. If I want to divide by 2, can it, Rachel?
No.
Can we do? No, why? Because the 25 is problem, right? I am trying to divide by 5. See, both of them can, right? 25 divided by 5 is 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. And again, this is not simple yet. This is not the simplest answer. You can simplify further. So it depends on the idea of division. Okay, the basic of your division. So I can divide by 5 or again. Yeah, you can divide by another number, but this is fine. So 1 over 4. Okay, this is the simplest answer. Okay, so this is the simplifying fraction rules. I will give you 2 more or 3 more questions about this. I think 2 more is enough. 3. Wait. 3, 2 over 8. Okay, how do you simplify the fraction? Again, you are simplifying the fraction, Rachel. Yeah, so please pay attention on that case. We are simplifying the fraction, not the whole number, not the integer. So you just only simplify this. Divide by 2, divide by 2. That's simple. Yeah. So keep the 3 be there. 1 over 4. That's it. Okay, so this is another part. Again, you have to focus on the idea. We are simplifying the fraction, not the integer. Again, 5, 15 over 27. So you are trying to simplifying the fraction. Try to get rid or ignore the 5. Okay, I want to divide this by 3, divide by 3, right? That's the simplest number that I can think of. So 5b5, don't change anything about the whole number or the integer, I mean. So 5 over 9, that's all, right? Some more. How about this? 80 over 55. So this is also the same. You divide by 5 and divide by 5. I can think of 5. I cannot think another number unless 5, because 5 is the simplest one. 2, 3, 5. That's the first thing you need to try to divide. This is the clue, yeah. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Or try to divide with the prime number. So what is 80 divided by 5? 80 divided by 5 is 16 over 11, right? And you can make into a mixed fraction. So 16 divided by 11, I try to do this slowly but sure. 1, 11, and the remaining is 5. So 1, 5 over 11. That's it. So all the idea of simplifying fraction is like this. I will give you some questions regarding to this part. Wait, I will put this into to the word. Wait. Microsoft Word, a moment, and I will give you some questions about this. Simplify the fraction. Okay, wait. I think I need to put it on the other part. So, yep, done. Wait, Rachel, sorry, it take you a while. Moment, yeah. Wait, it's so small. But I think you can see this, right? So many. Yes, it is much. But again, you can try. I will give you the simplest one first. It's too much. Wait, that's not hard. And that's too hard, in my opinion. So I will give you the whole part. I mean the simple one. So start simple and go for the harder later on. A moment, yeah. Okay, almost there. Wait, Rachel, give me a moment. So sorry, take you a while. Again, what you need to do is try to give all the details about the question here. For example, I will give you example number 2, 24 over 33. What you need to do here is try to give the division. I want to divide this by 3, right? So the answer will be, so you have to write the 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 33 divided by 3 is 11. And then we are done, right? And we cannot simplify further. How about this? 9 and 21. 27. I divide by 3. I divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. But again, you can go further, right? You can simplify further. I want to divide by 3. Divide by 3. So the answer is 1 over 3. And circle the number. Get the idea, Rachel? Do you know how to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is much, but again, this will help you a lot in order to solve all the questions. After this, I will give you some of the question later on. I will pause the recording. Good luck, yeah, Rachel.